Are you tired of struggling with hearing problems? That's why Quietum Plus was created, the 100% natural solution that addresses ear health. This remarkable formula has brought everyday tranquility and restored clear inner thoughts to countless lives. It revolves around nourishing, rejuvenating, and harmonizing the vital ear wire with your brain, ensuring pristine sound transmission. Seems incredible, right? But these individuals all share a common story. Improved hearing after using Quietum Plus. Studies from top universities continue to show that it works 9 times better than any other product, especially in people over the age of 40. This secret has been suppressed by the billion-dollar industry, which relies on you never getting results. And this new method to support ear health is for everyone. Sounds too good to be true? Our exclusive formula features 18 premium plant extracts designed to promote healthy hearing. It's real. It's so powerful because it targets a single root cause, the hearing problem that happens when the ear wire gets damaged and messes up sounds. This is a proven 100% natural solution that addresses ear health, that you can do starting today to begin your ear healing immediately. Discover Quietum Plus before it disappears forever. Your journey to restored hearing begins here.